There we are. Hello. Ah. Why is this open? Guess it was that. Okay then. I think I lost another one of my roses. It's died from root rot or something. So strange. Didn't look like standard root rot though. Anyway. Let's pop you over this one. Yeah, that's the one. Now you can see what I'm doing. Show off what happened yesterday, just after I stopped the stream, because of course the works now. I can click. I programmed everything right. It was because one of the settings was wrong. So you go into project, project settings. Where is it? Input devices, pointing, emulate touch from mouse. That one needed to be on. It's using a mouse, and the game is intended for touch, so it's an interesting thing that you can turn on and off. Anyway, where are we now? So our next step, according to the description of the live stream, is we should start trying to detect our boxes when a box is made. Now we've got pretty close to set up for that, so this might be pretty short, and then we'll move on to the next thing. So we got our squares. I want to got lines, so you can find which one is yada yada yada. I don't think that that's what I need right now. We got a function, set lines, no, get ready, function ready. So in our function ready, I want a variable. I don't need to, yeah, okay, so what we are, now I think I might have a slight problem. Because the way I set it up, I've got, yeah, I might need to add a similar variable to the lines to tell me which boxes it's connected to. I'll make things run a little smoother. Hi. Yeah. You learning how to code with Papa? Yeah. Okay, yeah, because, I mean, each line will only have 2 boxes connected to it, but it'd be quick and easy. You click line, and then it increments this one, active line, equals 0, increments by 1 on each of those. And then, so, excuse me, get lines, get top line, blah, 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 blah. Nom 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 nom. Hey, please don't. Four, right? 3, 4, yeah. The 4. Box full. We'll make a function that does all the things for the box full.
No.
Box full. Box fill. Leave that for now. Want some tea? You do? Yes. You say thank you? Thank you. More? Please? Thank you. More, please? Thank you. That's Papa's tea. You can't drink all of Papa's tea. Here, have some milk. Okay, I'll drink your milk. You drink my tea. Mmm. 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 Here you go. You're dripping. I think that's enough tea. This one's Papa's. You got your milk. Hey, this one's mine. You're not even really drinking it. You're taking the smallest sips I've ever seen. You're barely touching it to your lips. And you're like, yum! Yum! Eh. Eh. Alright, where was I? Ugh. Okay. Is that so? It is? Okay, box fill, active line, box fill, blah. Careful. Alright, okay, I've completely forgotten what I'm doing because the child distracted me. I just created box fill, active line. Okay, now I need when line button is pressed or released. Actually, I'm just gonna comment this one. Nope. There we go. Comment that one out. Shh, you're too loud. You're gonna hurt the viewer's ears. Yelling into the microphone like that. He's silly. Okay. So on released, we need. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna need to add a thing to here. So I need a variable var boxes equals. It's gonna be one of these. And then square, what do I have? I have lines. Yeah, it's just gonna be 1 and 2. Not anything complicated. At least at the moment. I might change it to be a little more complicated in the future. Do some extra large boxes or extra large lines. Hey, bud. Go get it. Where is it? Where is it? Where'd it go? Hey, Stinker, what you doing? Mama's watching the live stream. That's funny. Watching the live stream. What was I doing? Baby's clicking buttons. Luckily it's turned off. I forgot again. I'm being so distracted right now. Yes, this one. Lines. Lines. And then get top line, get top line. I don't need that. Box fill. No. I don't need so anything like that. Am I setting this? This will be grid. I do have a set top line, right? Get bottom. Get bottom. Hey. Left line position. Top line. Grid. Set lines. Yeah. Okay. No. Go get it. Thomas is playing with Mama's mouse, and he's making a lot of noise with it. Hi. He's being a stinker. Alright, where am I? Keep getting distracted by its children. Okay, so in line button, we need a set function process on release. Set box. go. Simple as that. And now I can call upon these is released. So where's the ball? Where's the ball? Can you go find the ball? I know I saw it. Where'd it go? Do you know where the ball is? Can you go find the ball? Go find the ball. Just need him playing with something that's not going to be clicky clackety clackety click clack and click and clack. Anyway, go find the ball. Where is it? Go find it. Line show. Yes, here. Okay. Boxes 1, boxes 0, boxes 1, boxes 1, dot. What do I call it? Square. Why am I calling it boxes? What the frick? That's not it. That's it. Okay. So the first time actually using this one. Ooh, that's too far. Squares dot. What do I call it? Increment active line. Active line. Yeah, so then, and then that. Excellent, so then that does this. Active line. Increments, if active line, then box fill. Box fill. What am I doing? Box fill is, then we go, I don't have a texture for box fill, so, let me open the scene for that so I can actually see what I'm, here I am calling it box again. That's fine. Whatever, you get the idea. Just easier shorthand to say box instead of square. Oh, I need to open it. Squares. Square scene. Okay, so we have our texture rect and a label. Okay. So we do actually have, so we're gonna make that. What was that? It's gonna be in my line button. I've got line hide. Okay, which is what? Oh yeah, this is just hiding that one. If I'm hiding the whole thing, can I just go No. How does that work? Yeah, I don't think that's it. I'm gonna have to look it up. Oh, I don't have it open. Ah, shoot, I opened the wrong one. Remove that one. There we go. Because this one has me signed in, so I can actually use AI to do the things I need to do. No, I don't care. Google's getting really annoying with the pushing their Gemini. I'm already using it when I want to use it. Leave me alone. Like, I'm literally on it right now. I really don't need anything more than this. Anyway, like what? I don't need your special Banana Pro. What am I supposed to do with that? Nano Banana. Ah, shut up. I forgot what I was doing. GDScript. Root node. It's not how you spell anything, but my node, path to my node. Okay, well, I forgot that I can actually just right click and then copy path. Oh, yeah, it's literally just, no, it's not. So then this is valid. I think this is, yeah, that's valid. So I should just be able to show. And ready to be hide, I believe it was. Double check that. Just have it here. Yep, hide. I'll do a quick save. Show, hide, box fill be show, and label. Edit the label. Label.text, beautiful. Equals. Let's temporarily set it as X or T or whatever, muffin. So, muffin. Whatever, this is just temporary. Good morning.
Oh. I need you to watch Killing for a sec. See.
Sure, just 1 second. Okay, so we've got, how long have we been streaming for today? Only been half an hour, a bit of a shorter stream. Let's do a quick test to see if this works. I forgot. Index of 0, yeah. Because I forgot to, this part here, I need to set the squares, which I think needs to be, actually do that in square. So we have set lines, and then we're going to return, yeah. Shut your coot, baby. Okay. I'm gonna make a note here because I'm being bombarded by children and wife needs breakfast. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to stop for today. I'm 1 step off from completing the goal for today. So if I had the proper time, it would have been perfect. But I do not have the proper time, so it's not perfect. C'est la vie. I'm just gonna add a note here. It's older, baby. How about like this? Set lines, right bottom. Return where to line. I know where I'm working when I come back. Yeah, today was decently successful for only half an hour's work. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you come back and see this game through to the end and download it when it's done. Alright, thank you very much, and have a good day.